Energica is throwing down the EV motorcycling gauntlet. The Italian motorcycle maker's parent company, Ideanomics, has unveiled plans for an East Coast Experience Center and U.S. manufacturing facility in New Jersey. The center is expected to bring up to 100 jobs for Energica's and other Ideanomics-based EV products. Here's the announcement from Alf Poor, the CEO of Ideanomics.
Our New Jersey facility is going to be very important for us. Not only will it showcase our technologies and our products, it'll also be an education and advocacy center where people can come and learn about the different types of technology in EV, in hydrogen, electric drivetrain. They can also demonstrate the vehicles on site as well. It will be a working facility. There will be assembly facilities, parts, regional support and after sales for our different operating companies, so they have an East Coast base. We've just finished the design and planning phase. We've now begun the permitting and construction phase for the showroom area. Some other elements of the facility will come online in Q2 of this year. Those will be offices and some of the warehousing areas where we will support some of our East Coast operations for some of our subsidiary companies on the West Coast. We expect the showroom and the classroom area, that to come online later in the year, perhaps in late Q3 or Q4.
Energica currently has two significant advantages over America's Zero motorcycles in that Energica's offer faster Level 3 CCS charging and larger batteries. So far, Energica's primary weaknesses have been a small U.S. dealer footprint and relatively slow Level 2 charging. But this announcement shows Energica is serious about gaining a real foothold in the American market. Zero, it's your move. Coming this Wednesday, April 13th on EV Rider, we'll take you for a neck-snapping ride in Tesla's Model S Plaid. And if you've enjoyed this episode of EV Rider, please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.